This edition of MacVoices is brought to you by Smile, the makers of the brand new PDF Pen 6, PDF Pen Pro 6, and PDF Pen for iPad and PDF Pen for iPhone. Find out more about all the flavors of PDF Pen at smilesoftware.com. These are just a few of the sights and sounds of the NAB show in Las Vegas and some of the associated events. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.
Our brand is present in Europe, the Americas, Asia, and the Middle East. Big names in the industry are already using our products and services, such as ESPN, CNBC, BBC, NHK, and many others.
We were able to do 500% zoom on the garbage in the road. You reframe it and need the scanner to go quality enough to send that out of the road.
It's also the possibility that amateurs will get so good at making content and that the tools will be so cheap that you'll get really, really beautiful things done by people in their spare time, and there will be fewer or at least lower paid professionals. And that might be a wonderful thing that, while we complain about having trouble monetizing, it might be the greatest thing to happen in the world.
Well, define what an amateur is.
Anyway, exactly. I think the Olympics did it. Commercials, and you're going to watch 15 minutes of commercials in an hour. You're talking about $1 or $1.50 for 15 minutes. So you're talking about really a $6 an hour wage that you're paying yourself to not watch those commercials. That doesn't seem. I realize that this is definitely a rich person's problem. $6 an hour is more than most of the world makes, but it's not more than most of the people in this room make. And I think that's a reasonable choice. Also, I also think that they're creating problems that don't exist. All these things are being spun as negatives, and they're not. Networks going away, good. That's great. The New York Times had this really goofy article. I love when the New York Times does their version of Panic. Because they don't really do like giant mosquitoes from Norway, but they find their own version. And they did this whole article on binge viewing. as though people are watching a whole series in one weekend.
It's amazingly good. Exactly.
Why would anybody even say that aloud, let alone report on it? I think, you know, watching my children, you know, I used to wait for the Wizard of Oz every year to be able to watch it once a year. My children just, you know, hit the button when they want to watch it, and trying to explain to my 7-year-old that I had to wait to watch something on TV is impossible to explain that to her. I would have thought I would be able to explain that kind of delayed gratification and delaying this stuff out. You cannot explain it. The idea that to my daughter, everything is happening at once. You know, the Three Stooges are completely contemporary to Justin Bieber. And she jumps back and forth completely comfortably. And although I maybe push her a little toward the Stooges, I love the fact that that's happening. I mean, we have anybody that has a mobile phone in the world has access to more information than the President of the United States had 15 years ago. And that's not only in terms of information, but that's also in terms of entertainment. And that entertainment is just another word for art. And I don't care at all how it's delivered. I don't care at all how it's paid for. I just want everybody talking to everybody all the time.
The Las Vegas SuperMeet.
Where's Phil, by the way? I don't know.
First of all, we want to welcome you back for what we feel is not only the biggest super meet of the year that we do, but this is the 13th annual super meet, which goes back to the year 2000.
All right. Keep back the enthusiasm all the way to the ground.
This is such a good show. This is such a good show tonight. It's really, really good. And so far, there are no technical problems. Everything is working thanks to this awesome crew that we got, which everybody got to shake their hands.
Mike, give me a
Yeah, exactly. So, let's start the super meet. Dan, take it away.
All right.
That being said, if when you see them, they're not the kind of toys you were looking for, the door is over there, take a ride, go along the corridor, you'll be very, very happy.
And why would I do that? Well, Smoke 2013 added an amazing set of visual effects tools and compositing tools where you can composite straight on the timeline. And that was going to be essential to the workflow and what I wanted to do with Rec.
These are, for us, our sixth Super Meet, and we'd like to thank Michael and Nan for this event. It's amazing, so big hand for them. Mike and Nan.
the title of his presentation is Now That We've Won, Where Do We Go From Here? So please welcome the great Stu Maschwitz.
Hey everybody, I've been having a really good time at the show. As you can tell by my voice.
So you go 266 136 266 136.
Oh, do we have a winner?
Going once.
Are you?
Oh, okay.
Do we have a winner?
It looks like we do.
Sounds like
We'll have to check the ticket. Check the ticket.
Congratulations.
Give me the ticket.
My friend, not only do you get the Atomos, but you were so excited and so thrilling and doing such a good job winning. I'm going to give you $200 for the fun. And I'm going to give you 3 blue balls. And I'm also going to give you Kinemax 3D, which you can turn any 2D object into 3D. Congratulations.
The MediaMotion Ball. Visit MacVoices.com for links, show notes, to subscribe, to connect with Chuck on Twitter, app.net, Google+, Facebook, and for more Apple, Mac, and tech-related shows, including Mac Voices, Mac Notables, the Mac Jury, and the Mac Voices Briefing. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Yes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so here we go. I feel like I'm in a transporter beam. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
But it's a Pelican.
Yeah, it feels solid, but it doesn't feel heavy. What don't people understand about shooting video? I don't understand why that's such a difficult concept.